The best solution I found comes from thinking about your notes as they relate to time. If you're looking in the new template, there's a dashboard. In the dashboard, there are multiple views to plan your work across the yearly, quarterly, weekly, and daily time horizons. Instead of thinking too deeply and potentially paralyzing yourself about whether a note is a resource or if it's a project or if it's a note or should just belong in the Knowledge Hub, it's much easier just to leave it at the very top of a project page that you know that this is loosely related to, or leave it in the quarterly planning area so that you can organize it into the correct project later. You can stay messy without the upfront mental cost of breaking your workflow to figure out if this note needs to go in a very specific place. B, you're increasing the relevance of that note by placing it in time and even in the specific project that it's related to. No one has time to write all the metadata of when, why, and who they were taking the note with, so just putting it in the top of the quarterly planning page or in the project that it's relevant to means you'll likely remember the context in which you were when you were adding that note to your system. Or if you don't remember the context, then at least you know that it's driving towards some kind of goal, either on the quarterly level or the project level. The shift here is from something that was kind of static first, into a dynamicism, into something which was already dynamic and messy, and then it's starting to organize itself towards the goals.